Why are drafting pencils so expensive? For technical drawing and precise sketching, drafting pencils are the tools of choice. But are they just glorified mechanical pencils? In this video, we'll go over the key features of drafting pencils, as well as show off some of our favorites. Let's get started. What makes a drafting pencil a drafting pencil? Mechanical pencils can be geared towards students, artists, and professionals alike. In comparison, drafting pencils are specifically intended for professions that utilize technical drawings, such as engineers, architects, and carpenters. They work well with rulers and stencils and are relied upon to communicate accurate, meticulous details. Long story short, these are pencils with very important jobs. Let's go over some of the characteristics that make drafting pencils unique from regular mechanical pencils. Material. Drafting pencils are made of durable materials, as they have to endure heavy use. They can be made of aluminum, brass, high-quality plastic, or even wood. They typically have an industrial look, but if this style seems too severe for you, there are also drafting pencils that come in fun colors to show off your personal style. Grip. Many drafting pencils boast a metal knurled or textured grip section for improved control when writing or drawing. Others incorporate rubber for added cushioning and grippiness. Lead sleeve. Lead sleeves, also known as guide pipes, provide a clear view of the tip and make it easy to draw along the edge of a ruler. Some drafting pencils have lead sleeves that can retract completely so they don't poke holes in your pocket or pen case. They also protect the tips from accidentally being bent. Small eraser. Precise writing and drawing calls for precise erasing. Drafting pencil erasers are usually found under the push-button caps. We recommend purchasing a separate eraser in case you have larger corrections to make. Additionally, some drafting pencils have cleanout rods attached to the undersides of the erasers in case of lead jams. Lead grade indicator. Designers and engineers tend to use multiple lead grades for different purposes in different pencils. To keep things organized, drafting pencils often include adjustable lead grade indicators that are usually found near or in the top push button. We think anyone who is looking for a high-quality, reliable pencil can use a drafting pencil. Keep watching to check out some recommendations. Top pick, Huotring 600. The Huotring 600 is an iconic drafting pencil that exemplifies utilitarianism. It provides a nice weight in the hand, and its hexagonal shape is reminiscent of its wooden pencil ancestors. If you're worried about the 600's fixed lead sleeve, replacement tips are available. For an even fancier drafting pencil, check out the 800 series. It maintains the solid look and feel of the 600 and is able to retract the lead sleeve by twisting the knurled section near the top push button. The 800 Plus can be used as a stylus when the lead sleeve is retracted, for those whose work is both analog and digital. Pressure absorbing tip, Faber-Castell TK Fine Vario L. Combining form and function, the Faber-Castell TK Fine Vario L pays homage to their famous 9000 pencils with its dark green barrel. It features a spring cushioning tip mechanism that allows the lead to slide back slightly into the pencil, minimizing the potential for breakage. You can twist the grip section to activate or deactivate the mechanism. Unique grip, Staedtler 925/75. Uniformly knurled metal grip sections may be the norm for drafting pencils, But the Staedtler 925/75's grooved grip section is made of lightweight and impact-resistant ABS plastic. Its whole body is, in fact. The pencil is tapered, so the weight is towards the tip for greater control and precision. Similarly, the 925/25 series incorporates a grooved pattern in its metal knurled section. Ergonomic Zebra Tect 2-Way. When you're in the middle of a project, you need an ergonomic drafting pencil like the Zebra Tect 2-Way. Its wide plastic grip section has rubber rings, encouraging you to loosen your grip and preventing your fingers from slipping. It also incorporates a shaker mechanism, so you don't need to regrip your pencil to dispense lead. The shaker can be locked to keep lead from accidentally extending, or if you just want to use the top push button. Budget-friendly Pentel Graph Gear 300. The Pentel Graph Gear 300 proves that you can have an excellent drafting pencil that doesn't break the bank. Its metal grip section has both cutouts and raised metal pieces, so you can position your hand where it feels best. The Graph Gear 300 has a translucent body in 4 different colors that makes it easy to spot in a pen case and also to know which lead size you're using. Do you have a favorite drafting pencil? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to check out the video in the card above if you'd like to see even more drafting pencils. You can shop all of these products and more at JetPens.com, the place for stationery lovers. Thanks for watching.